Hi, welcome to the video 18 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you are going to learn how to adjust the audio as well as how to add the keyframes and how to control the length of the keyframes. In simple terms, I can say that you are controlling how these keyframes are going to affect in your overall project file. So let's start. I actually added some of the audio clips here. So I'm going to nest it so you can understand much better. So this is like a complete audio file. If you want to add any keyframes to it, go to the FX panel. FX controls panel, not FX. From here, you can see the audio. Because I selected only audio, that's why it is showing only for, volume, channel volume and panel. If in case I select the video clip, it shows motion and everything. So just select the audio. Now as you can see, the level option is there. This is where you are going to increase or decrease the audio levels with the help of keyframes. To enable the keyframe, just enable this stopwatch icon. So this turn into blue color and you will see one keyframe like this. This is called a keyframe. You can move it anywhere as you like. I want to here add one more keyframe. To add one more keyframe, press this dot symbol. If in case you want to remove this keyframe, you can simply press the delete button, or you can press again this key. So I'm selecting one more keyframe here. To make ease in and ease out for these two keyframes, select both clips. Simply you can drag like this and right click and choose these options. Right now it is in linear, next is Bezier, auto Bezier, continuous Bezier, hold. And even you can use ease in or ease out. I basically use ease out. Again I select both clips, I select ease in. So this is how you can enable the keyframes for your audio clip. Now coming to the next thing, how to adjust the audio clip decibels, the volume. If you want to increase or decrease, how to do that? It's very simple guys. Select the audio clip and remove these keyframes. If you press here one time, you will see a warning window like this. Click on OK. The existing keyframes will be deleted. From here, you can simply decrease however you want. Now you can see here before and after. So this is at minus 9 dB. So if I make it as 0, as you can see, the audio levels are increased. So this is how you can increase or decrease the audio as well. So that's it guys. This is how you can enable the keyframes, customize the keyframes, followed by increase or decrease the audio levels. Even in the keyframes also you can decrease the audio. Let's say from 0 to minus 9, you can decrease by putting 2 keyframes. So you can do it. You can do however you like. So that's the beauty part of the video editing. There is no one path to learn anything. First learn the basics, after that you start implementing so that you get some more creative ideas. So that's how you are going to be pro in video editing. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. See you again in the next class.